Now we'll show you some new features in editing the schedule of a campaign and the new advanced manual scheduler. So let's get started. Another new feature is the filter section. The filter section allows you to filter the schedule you are editing by station or date. Filtering the schedule allows easier editing of scheduling with large amount of spots. The new side panels under the break screen have a number of different features. The Schedule tab shows the content of the break that is currently selected. The Conflicts tab shows the conflict codes in that break. The Regulations tab can show the maximum commercial time per hour and per day, and can be used in countries that have rules for maximum commercial time per day. Programs shows the program schedule for that day and station. One of the main new features in MediaSales Traffic is the way conflicts are shown in the schedule. Previously, only overbooked breaks were shown in red. Now, when a spot is selected in the schedule, the break is shown in red if a conflict exists in the break, or if there is not enough time left in the break to place the spot. This way you can see directly if a spot can be placed in a break. And with a right mouse click you can see exactly which conflicts exist with the current spot. In the Schedule tab, you can see all details of the spots that exist in that break. Selecting a spot in the schedule will immediately show all spots in that break. It is also possible to drag a spot to an exact position in that break. Now we'll show you how you can drag the spot at the second position in the break. The new schedule editor allows you to directly edit and merge breaks. In the following example, we'll change the time of the break from 5 to 5 past 5. The spots in the break are also moved. Now you'll see the time of the break has changed. By dragging one break onto another, we can merge two breaks. In this case, a message shows that those two spots with the same fixed position exist in both breaks, so it's not possible. Now we'll merge two other breaks. We'll override the conflicts and delete the existing break. The new manual scheduler in MediaSales Traffic is a great way to create any schedule you want. The top part is the pre-filter area. This allows you to filter the data being loaded, for instance when you have a large number of stations or dates. The Available Fields section shows the fields that can be used. Fields in this section can be also used for filtering. Any of the fields you can drop in the data fields, column fields, or row fields areas. We'll put the month in the row, the hour in the column area, and the number of spots in the data area. Now we'll see the number of spots in this hour for this campaign. Besides the number of spots, we can show the number of breaks, use time for all breaks, or show a visual progress bar of the available time or conflicts. Let's create an example. Here we want to schedule one spot in January and February at 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. We will highlight the hours and press Schedule Selection. You'll see that 4 spots are scheduled. The great thing about the manual scheduler is that you can create and save your new layouts and switch immediately between them. Let's save this layout. Now we'll create another example. In the rows, we'll show you the week numbers. In the columns, the day of the week. And we will save this layout also. Now we can switch between the layouts we just created. We will select Tuesdays and schedule the spots. Now every week on Tuesday has 1 spot scheduled. Now let's show a more detailed example. We'll show the date and the hour. By selecting the times in the filter of the time field, we can narrow the used hours. Now we'll schedule this selection at 8 a.m. Now we have 14 spots scheduled. The hours we have filtered are also stored in our layout, so they are available when we select it. Now even more detailed. We will show you the week of the month and minutes. Select the breaks we need and schedule the spot. And now let's have a look at the schedule we have created. As you can see, the new manual scheduler is a new and easy way to create the schedule you want fast. We hope you enjoyed these previews of the new powerful features in MediaSales Traffic. We want to thank you for watching, and in the meanwhile, if you have any questions or need for more information, please feel free to contact me, Michael van Buren, at michael@wedelsoft.com.